Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday, the beginning of the work week. Last night was date night here in the Tomosic household, where I prepared one of our favorites, good old casual chef chili mac. It was perfect. Barely any leftovers, and I sent them home with Robin. And I believe she said, let's see if they last till breakfast. I did something different with the chili mac. I used a couple different seasoning blends, but I skipped using the store-bought pico de gallo and basically made my own using fresh ingredients and some garlic. I'm going to be revising the recipe. So there. All right. Today's recipe, as you know, I'm going to back up a little bit. This is comfort food week, which is including soups, sandwiches, and some wonderful side/appetizers. So today's recipe actually comes from our friend at the English Kitchen. As you know, I have been a fan of hers for a very long time. We have corresponded. She has helped me with some other projects in the past. So this one is the green chili and potato soup. It's pretty straightforward. It's simple. And one of the things I love about her soup recipes is they're basically small enough for somebody who's living on their own, like I am currently. Basically, I call this a 3-cupper. There's 2 cups broth and 1 cup milk. I'm a big eater, you know that. So let's get to it. Like the name says, potato. The recipe actually calls for a tin of diced peppers. I'm going to use diced peppers from the tin, and I'm going to add some diced serranos, cleaned out, nice and cleaned and diced. And the rest of the recipe is butter, flour for thickening, onion, garlic, some shredded cheddar cheese, sharp, kosher salt, black pepper, some veggie broth, some whole milk, and the cheese and the green onions are for garnish. So I'm all ready to, actually not already, but I actually already have things in motion to turn this into a cooking demo. Should be simple, hopefully shorter than the rest. I'm working on that. Really am. But I've been looking forward to this one when I saw it. Yeah, just okay. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.